Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad, this is my channel Animate Orange, and in this video I thought I would do a rather brief sort of health update since I've been doing some videos and trying to keep people a little updated with what's going on with me, with my health, and with my heart transplant. I would have made a video last week but been kind of busy. Last week, a little over a week ago, I went to my heart transplant team checkup. I have to think about the words before I use them because there's so many different doctors I get them mixed up in my head, and I'm not always that great with names. I wonder sometimes, I know I've had issues with that in the past, but I wonder if it's made worse with the anti-rejection meds. But anyway, for the most part I'm doing good. The checkup went well. They did the right heart cath and looked at my heart, took some biopsies. Everything looks like it's pumping pretty strong. Everything looks really good. There's I don't want to say no rejection. It's a 1R rejection, a very mild rejection, I believe, which is normal for somebody in my case. There's no damage being done from what I understand. So I'm where they expect me to be. Everything is good. There's no cause for alarm or no concern. The heart is doing good. I myself have lately found myself a little bit less energy, and I'm wondering, you know, I need to speak with the doctors and with not just the heart transplant team, but with the kidney doctors as well. I did some more blood work. I know my blood work for my appointment with the heart transplant team, the blood work came back not looking that good, but also some other people the same day, because they have several different people in clinic. There were others with heart transplants. Their blood work also came back a bit wonky, so they've had me redo the test this week, early this week, here locally, and I'm still waiting on those results because, for one thing, I think my hemoglobin was low, which it does tend to run low post-transplant because of the anti-rejection meds, and that can cause a little bit of weakness, a little bit of lack of energy. Hemoglobin can also run low, and your iron can run low with kidney failure, which I have, so there's that factor, and they do give me medicines, injections, whatnot to help with that, but I find myself a little bit lacking in energy lately. Not where I'd like to be, never really where I'd like to be, but I'm still going for walks. Last couple of walks I got tired faster than I thought. Going upstairs, I'm getting a little bit tired faster than I was, or so it seems, so I'm wondering if maybe that blood work's going to come back with the hemoglobin being low and what they're going to do about it, but I'm not overly concerned. We'll manage. I've gotten this far. There'll be some corrections to be made and things should get better. But overall, I'm doing pretty good, and I've got a lot more energy, and the heart is doing good, and I'm carrying on, and I'm keeping myself busy, and things are looking up. So I'm not down about it. A little bit concerned, but the test will come back. We'll talk with the doctors when the time comes, and we'll get things sorted out. And I'm still going. My next appointment is in 2 months. In June, I have an appointment to go back to the heart transplant team. They're going to be doing a lot of tests this time. I will have to have someone with me because I won't be able to drive afterwards. I'll be down there for several hours. They're going to do left heart casts. They're going to do echocardiograms. They're going to do other tests. I'm not even sure what all, but it will be the 1-year appointment. So in June of this month, not this month, in June of this year will be my 1-year anniversary. June 12th, actually, will be my 1-year anniversary of this heart transplant. It's very exciting. I will have made it 1 year. I'm not too concerned about those tests. You know, I don't exactly enjoy getting poked and prodded, but you know, a second chance at life I'll manage, and I feel like it's going to be a pretty good outlook. And any concerns that will likely rise, we'll deal with at the time, and life goes on. So I'd like to think I have a fairly positive attitude about it. What can I say? I'm very thankful for this gift and for the chance to continue with my family and continue this life and continue to do so many things that I couldn't do before. So many possibilities have been opened. It's wonderful. It's a wonderful gift. And thank you for your concerns, for your well wishes, for your caring about my health condition, about what's going on with me, and thank you for watching these videos and these model builds that I take the time to do. Thank you for tuning in and caring and watching and being a part of this whole 3D metal model and Metal Earth experience. I'll leave it at that. As always, thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.